Because I think champions are made with a lot of thinking and a lot of planning and a lot of strategy making to get there.
And we're already heading down that path. But how do we get there? Everyone plays a part.
Give every customer the opportunity to shop the way they want to shop, when they want to shop.
And we need to believe in what we're doing, that the ultimate goal of getting there is worthy of our effort and our passion to make that journey. And we're going to have some learnings along the way, some missteps, but we'll get back on track and it will be worth it.
Take some time to really build that relationship, get to know them first on a human level, and I think that's core and fundamental to everything that we need to do.
How do I need to change what I'm doing in my territory in order to make my goal so that our organization is successful and that I'm successful?
Having discipline, being able to make your calls, go office to office, and push yourself when nobody else giving you like that motivation, discipline's huge.
We operate in a global economy, and so the challenge is for us to make sure we're learning and innovating our business, not only stateside, but our outsourced partners, as well as the technology that we implement to make sure we're keeping up with the times, make sure that we're moving the industry forward and humanity forward here in the States and across the world.